Hi, I'm Stephanie Boswell, and this is Chef Steph Reax. Today, we're gonna be reacting to Bangkok street food. Nice. Love. Oh, she's cute. She gets extra points for presentation. You know what I mean? Like showing up to work in like an adorable little midriff with a little fanny pack, hair done, makeup done. Like, yes, we have respect for that. Good for you. I still do that thing every time I see someone cut something with their fingers out like this. Like, obviously she knows what she's doing. She's not gonna hurt herself, but I still, that's on me. That's my problem. That's my damage. Let's continue. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. That, okay, I'm gonna tell this beautiful woman here to anytime she wants to move to the United States and work in my pastry department, she is more than welcome, because speed like that is astounding. Like the execution, and obviously like that's something she probably does every day, all day. So like it becomes very like subconscious. Like she's not even really thinking about what she's doing because it's so just in her muscles, in her marrow. But I mean, she's banging those out. She's making Puy Roti, a banana, eggy, desserty kind of crepe folded situation. I would love to try this at home. I would probably make an idiot of myself. I'm personally not gonna make this. I would make it in 10 minutes to her 45 seconds, and I'd rather take a 16-hour flight to get to Thailand to eat it there from her, because she's doing it right. I would not presume. I give this one a 10 out of 10. Hats off. 10 out of 10. Leave a comment if you like, and if you don't know what to comment, just comment. Like and subscribe for more pastry stuff.